Hi my friends, I am so happy to meet you again on my channel. Today we will learn the most important verbs in German. It will be very useful for you. So let's start. I will repeat each verb in German twice, so please repeat it after me. Okay, let's start. Zeitwörter. Zeitwörter. Verbs. Ankommen. Ankommen. To arrive. Zeigen. Zeigen. To demonstrate. Anhören. Anhören. Zuhören. Zuhören. To listen. Warten. Warten. To wait. Hören. Hören. To hear. Haben. Haben. To have. Reisen. Reisen. To travel. Schauen. Schauen. To show. Suchen. Suchen. To search. Machen. Machen. To make. Laufen. Laufen. To walk. Finden. Finden. To find. Schließen. Schließen. To shut down. Beginnen. Beginnen. To start. Essen. Essen. To eat. Verlieren. Verlieren. To lose. Erhalten. Erhalten. To receive. Bieten. Bieten. To offer. Eintreffen. Eintreffen. To arrive. Okay? Sagen. Sagen. To say. Stehen. Stehen. To stay. Sitzen. Sitzen. To sit. Beenden. Beenden. To break up. Rufen. Rufen. To call. Verlangen. Verlangen. To desire. Okay, my friends, this was my lesson. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel to keep in touch. I will prepare also other useful lessons for you. Thank you for watching my video and see you soon. Bye.